Hello students, in this lecture we will be looking at statistics. It's a very easy topic. So let us start. So at first we will look at mean. What is its concept? What is its definition? To calculate the arithmetic mean of a set of data, we must first add or sum up all the values of x and then divide the result by number of values n. Okay? The sigma symbol, this symbol is known as sigma, is used to indicate the sum of all the values, and it is used in the mean, and it is used in the following way to find the mean, that is x bar mean is equals to sigma x divided by n. This is how you find mean, sum of all the values divided by number of values n. This is x bar mean. So you look at the example, it will become much more clear. Most of you must have done this in school. It is a very simple concept. So let us look at one example quickly. It will become clear. Find the mean of this value. So total number of values are how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total values n is equals to 8. Now I will do sum of all the values. Sigma x is 6 plus 8 plus 11 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8. This will come out to be 56. So mean x bar would be equals to sigma x divided by n, which is 56 by 8. So this is 7. I hope this is clear. Very simple concept. Most of us would have done this in school. Okay, sum of all the values divided by number of values n. Let us look at it in printed format. Mean x bar would be equals to sigma x divided by n. This is 56 by 8. So this is 7. Okay. Now let us look at median. Again, a very simple concept. There's one thing that you should know about median is that median value of a set of data is the middle value, but it is the middle value of an ordered data. So the data must be ordered. You should put a star mark here in your notes. Okay, with ordered data, that is the data must be put in numerical order first. That you must put it in numerical order first, either in ascending order or in descending order. But you must put it in the numerical order first, either in ascending or descending. Ascending is generally done or is preferred because it is easier to do. Okay, so ascending order is used. In general, median is at n plus 1 by 2th value, where if n is odd. When n is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2th value. For even value, I will tell you later. But for odd cases, the median is at n plus 1 by 2th value. Let us look at an example. It will become much more clear to you. The whole concept will become clear. We have to find the median of the following. This is the data which I have been given. So first, let us count the number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. N is equals to 7. There are total 7 values. Now let us arrange them in ascending fashion. So first value will be 4, then it will be 5, then it will be 6, then 7, then 9, 10 and 11. These are the values. So the median would be at n plus 1 by 2th value, since n is odd. So it will be at 7 plus 1 by 2 value, that is at 4th value. So the 4th value, that is 7, is the median. Median is the middle value of ordered data, of a set of ordered data. Okay. So this is in printed format. Ordering the data gives us this. The middle value is 7. So this is the median. Now let us look at this example. In this example, the number of values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Here n is even number. So how to find median in this case? The first step would be very same, that you have to arrange the data, okay, in an ordered manner. Okay, so we'll arrange this data in ascending order. So first value would be 0.5 because this is the least value. Then 0.6 would be there. Okay, then let me look at it. Then I think 1 is the smallest value out here. After 1, the smallest value is 2. Okay, then I think 2.5 would be there. Then 2.9, then 3 and 3.1. I hope you have understood what I have done. I have just arranged the value in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values are there. Now the median would be, in this case, since there are 8 values, the median would be 4th and fifth value you have to take, and you have to take the average of fourth and fifth value, because there are two middle values in this case since this is even. So fourth value you have to take, that is 2, and the fifth value 2.5, and this divide by 2, this will be 2.25. So this will be the median. So if n is even, in this case n is even, what you have to do is that you have to do n by tooth value plus n by tooth plus 1 value divided by 2. This is how you will have to find the median. Okay, you can write this formula: n by 2, n by tooth term plus n by tooth plus 1. This plus 1 will be like this. Okay, n by 2 and then plus 1. Remember this. First n will get divided by 2 and then it will be plus 1. N by tooth plus 1. So n by tooth term and n by tooth plus 1 term divided by 2. So here, since n is 8, so it will be 8 by tooth term and plus 8 by tooth plus 1 term, and this divided by 2. So it is fourth term plus fifth term divided by 2. So this is again 2 plus 2.5 by 2, 2.25. This is how you will get it. I hope this is clear. So this is 9a, this is fifth term, and this is fourth term, 8 by 2. Okay, this is how you will have to find the median. So this is in printed format. This is the order of the data, and there are, in middle pair there are 2 and 2.5. So the median is between these two values. So this will be this plus this by 2. This is 2.25. Simple concept. This is median. Now mode is very simple. The modal value of a set of data is the most frequently occurring value, the data or the value which occurs the most frequent number of times. That is the mode. Example would be, find the mode for this number. So it is not necessary that you have to arrange this data that we did in case of median, but it is highly recommended that you arrange this data, and it becomes very easy for you once you arrange to visualize it. Let me tell you how. If I arrange this data, say 2, then 2 again, then 3, then 5, then 6, 6, 6, and then 9. Now it is becoming very easy for me to see that 6 is the most frequently occurring data. Okay, so sometimes in exam, in pressure mode, you might miss out some data. It is better recommended that you first arrange it in an ascending order and then try to find out the mod, which is most frequently occurring value. Okay, it is not necessary that you have to arrange this, but it is recommended from my side, from my experience, what I have seen. Okay, I hope this is clear to you how you have to find out the mod. So here it can be seen that most frequently occurring value is 6, and there are 3 of these 6. So the mod would be, in this case, 6. I hope this is clear. Very simple concept of mean, median, mod. Very basic, very easy. So thank you. This was basics. In next lecture, we will study some more new concepts. Thank you very much.